How to order ride-hail services on Transit app. To order ride-hail services on Transit or using Transit, the steps that I'll be showing you in this video should be followed. So welcome to this tutorial. The first step is to sign in into your Transit application. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the main screen where you will see a map. And then on this map as well, together with the departure lines, you will find the ride-hail card in the nearby list. And you must note that if you are in Europe, the options will be shown on the same card. Now, the reason why mine is not displaying this is because I am in an unsupported region. But for you, if you are in a supported region, you definitely see this ride-hail card. Once you've seen it, swipe to find the available ride-hail options and appropriate wait time for each service. Then tap the card showing the ride-hail options. All right, and if you have favorite saved, the app will predict where you are going and plan your trip, and you can also modify your trip. So once you've done that, next thing to do, you can plan your trip. After planning your trip, and then you can now request for a ride. All right, so after or once you've requested your ride, you can message your driver from the screen or even change drop-off location because you have ordered this ride-hail service. And then you can also minimize the ride-hail trip in the same way you would minimize go to explore other transit option. So this is how it works. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.